welcome back. Now it's good to see you here. I can see that you're serious about the whole thing now, and I'm also serious. That's why I'm making this video. Okay, so right now, before you can design a professional website, before you can put your website on the internet, you need two most important things, okay? And that is, oh, let me say you need three, and that is, the first one is domain and hosting, okay? And the designing, okay? Here is the case. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to design the website. So paying an amount of about 4,000 for a designer to design the website has been cancelled. Good work. Now let's look at the domain hosting. What is the cost of domain hosting? Let me take you to our official web hosting platform, that is cloudhostgh.com. cloudhostgh.com. This is our official web hosting platform. This is my number in case you find difficult. You can just reach out to me on WhatsApp or through call, and I will guide you through 24/7. In case you find difficult to, you can also use the AI here, and it will assist you all what you need here. Okay, you can ask any question and it will respond. It will give you the right answer. Okay, good. So let me close that. Now let's come back here. We have three different packages here. I will only talk about web hosting and WordPress hosting. They are the same, it's just that the name are different. Okay, so I will advise you, just check your budget and go for a plan that will help you to design your website. So we have first of all, we have the 80 Ghana cedis. We have the cheapest so far for 1 year. Okay, for 1 year, 12 months. We are talking about 12 months here, and you have to pay just 80 Ghana cedis. You can add only one website. It doesn't mean that you can just create only one website. Okay, that is, you can add one domain, but you'll be able to add 2 subdomains. So in all, in terms of number of websites, you can create 3 websites with this package. Okay, good. And we have this one, 2 domain and 4 subdomain, 3 domain, and which means that with this, after creating the first website, if someone needs a website, you can also create another website for that person. You only buy a domain and you'll be able to create another website without buying hosting. That is what it means. But with this one, you can only use it for one domain, which means that after creating your first website, if someone needs a website, you can create a website for that person. Okay, unless you buy another package, or you can create it on a subdomain, and the subdomain will bear the main domain name. Okay, so if, for instance, as I have cloudhostgh.com, if you want to create another website using the subdomain, then you have something like shoe.cloudhostgh.com. okay, so okay, good. Now, so these are the plans. Okay, this is 3 domain, or you can go with the WordPress, and this is so amazing. You know why? Because with this one, you'll be able to create unlimited website. Yeah, it's 100 website, but I think it's unlimited. Okay, yeah, so that is 100 website. You get that is 5 GB NVMe storage. Okay, with 300 you get 10 GB and then 20 GB for 400 Ghana cedis for the whole year. So with this package, you can create unlimited website for a lot of people. Okay, good. Now let us proceed. So to get this package is very simple. You can just, let's say I want to go for this one, the 300 Ghana one, or let me go for the 200 Ghana one. I can just click here, order now, and now we are here. Okay, if I don't understand this currency, it's easy. I can just come here and select Ghana cedis, and it will change to Ghana cedis. Okay, so with the starter WP, I will pay 204 Ghana cedis, and then we have 306 Ghana cedis, and we have 400 Ghana cedis, which is almost 400 Ghana cedis. Or if I want to change it to share hosting, then I can go with that, and that is the price. Is we have 80 cedis, 100 Ghana cedis, and we have the 150 Ghana cedis. Okay, good. So I have to select. I will go for this one. If you want to go into the reseller one, we will talk about that later, or you can just go to YouTube and enter youtube.com slash at cloud host, or sorry, at eradar.tv. Okay, the link is below this video. Click enter, and this is my channel. Okay, just come to my channel here. I have a lot of videos here that you can have access to. Okay, and this is the how to start a reseller hosting business. I'm still working on these videos. It's a series. Okay, so there's a lot of videos here that you'll be able to get access. Let me close that and continue. So here I will select the WordPress hosting, and I will go for this one. You can just click here, and all that you need to do is to enter your domain name. As I said, you need a domain name and a hosting. Okay, now I just don't want this one. Okay, so let me change. I will change my mind. I will go for let me go for share hosting, and I want to go for the 80 Ghana cedis one. Good. So you can, if you don't have a domain, you have to register a new domain. If you already have a domain with another registrar, you can just transfer the domain to us, or you can use an existing domain. Maybe you don't want to transfer the domain to a Radar Cloud host, then you can decide to use the existing domain, so that all that you need to do is to change your name server. And when you go to my official website, you get a video on that, or just reach out to me. I will give you a video on which will guide you on how to do that. Right now I just want to use an existing domain. Okay, I already have a domain here on this I have a domain, so I will go with existing domain. Let me put something there, just to put something there. Okay, right now, because okay, so right now I want to go for, let's say, .xyz, and click use this. So here I will pay 80 Ghana cedis, and that is all. I'm paying only 80 Ghana cedis because I already have a domain. Okay, but if you don't have a domain, if you are going for, then with this, let's say if you have something like that, and we have, let's say I will go for extension .xyz. let me see. Okay, xyzx, I have to go through them. Okay, there's the xyz, and click, and I'll be able to, and the price is 80, so I can decide to maintain the 1 year one or 2 years one. Okay, well, let me maintain the 1 year package, and click continue. Okay, so here is the money that I will be paying, so I can just click checkout, and I have to create an account. You have to go through the process, adding your details and everything. Okay, so right now I will not go through the registration because I already have an account here. So I'm going to log in, so I'll click there and enter my email account. In case you don't understand anything when it comes to the account creation, just reach out to me. I'll give you a video on how to do that. So I will just enter my login details. Okay, so I will go ahead, I'm not a robot, and click login. Okay, so I'm here. As I said, I already have a domain here, okay, which I can just proceed and do that. Okay, yeah, I'm on the wrong account, so let me log out. Sorry. Okay, so I have to log in again. So I have to log in, and now I will go here and enter Amoakon at 3030 and enter my password here. Okay, so I can now click here, I'm not a robot, and click login. Okay, so I'm here. As you can see, this is my package. Okay, this is the package, but let me go back again. You see I have domain here. I'm going to use this domain. Okay, I'm going to use this one, this domain. Okay, so I will select that. Then here you have to I have to come to my service again. Okay, so over here you have to click here. Okay, click here, and that's it. So we can just go ahead and click login to cPanel. Okay, so we are on the cPanel now. Okay, so here you have to locate domains. Okay, so just go down here, you will see let me see, we have domains here and domains. Click this one, and over here we are going to see I've added a lot of domain here because my account is unlimited one. Okay, so I've added a lot of domain here, so I can just come here and click on create a new domain. So what I will do is I will paste the domain here, or I will type it here. Okay, let me make sure that there is no space. Okay, good. So after adding the domain, come here, I will advise you to uncheck this. Then after that, go down here and click submit. Okay, so it's successful. Now let me see, this is the domain name. Let's go down, this is the domain name. I can click here to open it, and as you can see, I have to wait for a while for the domain to propagate. Okay, that's why we are seeing that, so I will wait. Okay, so it's now active. I think it's working now, so let me close here. Okay, so so far so good. This is how to subscribe to a Radar host package. In our next video, we will look at how to install WordPress. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.